Hello everyone, my name is Mini Sethi. I hope you all are staying healthy. Today we are going to talk about absolute income hypothesis and relative income hypothesis. First of all, we are going to talk about absolute income hypothesis. This is given by John Maynard Keynes and explain how we divide our income between consumption and saving. And there is non-proportional relationship between income and consumption. That means no doubt when income increase, consumption will definitely increase, but not at same proportion. Consumption will increase less as compared to increase in income. If consumption will increase less as compared to increase in income, that's why our average propensity to consume will fall as our income increase. And marginal propensity to consume will be positive. Marginal propensity to consume mainly tell us how much our consumption increase when our income increase. Our consumption will definitely increase when our income increase. That's why our marginal propensity to consume will always be positive. But it will be less than 1. Why our MPC will be less than 1? If MPC is equal to 1, that means as income increase, consumption will increase at same proportion, but consumption increase less as compared to income. That's why our marginal propensity to consume will be less than 1, not equal to 1. Equation of this hypothesis is C equal to A plus B YD. C is consumption function. A is autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption are those expenditure which we have to do for survival. Even our income is zero. For example, expenditure on food. B is MPC. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. Why is disposable income? Disposable income is the money that left after paying taxes for doing consumption or saving. Here you can see YY is our income line, CC is our consumption function. Our initial equilibrium point is E. At this equilibrium point, our income is Y1, consumption is C1. Now suppose our income increase from Y1 to Y2. As a result, our consumption increase from C1 to C2. Here you can see increase in consumption is less as compared to increase in income. So we can say there is non-proportional relationship between income and consumption. As our income increase, no doubt consumption will also increase, but not at same proportion. Consumption increase less as compared to increase in income. Now we are going to talk about relative income hypothesis. This hypothesis is given by James Dusenberry. According to this hypothesis, people care about their relative well-being, not absolute well-being. According to this hypothesis, people care about their relative well-being, not absolute well-being. That means we compare ourselves with other people and we want to maintain our standard of living equal to other people of society. Even we are not earning equal to them. According to absolute income hypothesis, as our income increase, our average propensity to consume fall because increase in consumption is less as compared to increase in income. But according to relative income hypothesis, if income of all people in society will increase at same proportion, then our APC will not fall. It will remain constant because we have to consume in order to maintain our standard of living equal to the society. We will clearly understand with the help of one example. Suppose there are two individuals in society A and B. Income of A is 10,000, income of B is 20,000. Income of A is half of income of B. Suppose income of both increase at same proportion. Income of A has increased from 10 to 20 and income of B has increased from 20 to 40,000. No doubt income of A has increased, but still his income is half of income of B. That's why as income of A will increase, it cannot consume less. It has to consume in order to maintain his standard of living equal to B. That's why APC of A will not fall, means consumption of A will not fall. It will remain constant. He has to consume, he has to spend in order to maintain his standard of living equal to B. Now we will see diagram. On x-axis we have disposable income, on y-axis we have consumption and saving. OY, this one is income line. CC, this one is consumption function. We have two individuals in society, A and B. Income of A is OY, income of B is OY1. Now suppose income of both individual has increased at same proportion. Income of A has increased from OY to OY1. Income of B has increased from OY1 to OY2. According to this consumption function, A should consume B Y1, but actually A is consuming A Y1. A is consuming AB part more in order to maintain his standard of living equal to B. Similar, B should consume C Y2, but actually B is consuming B Y2. B is consuming BC part more. B is also imitating someone else in society whose income is higher than him. So here you can see both individual are consuming more in order to maintain his standard of living equal to other people of society. This dotted line shows constant APC of B, and this dotted line shows constant APC of A. When we join these both dotted line, we will got new consumption curve. According to absolute income hypothesis, our consumption depends on our absolute income. But according to relative income hypothesis, we don't care about our absolute well-being. We care about our relative well-being. We want to maintain our standard of living equal to the other people of society, even we are not earning equal to them. So this is all about absolute income hypothesis and relative income hypothesis. I think you got it, and thank you so much for watching this video. Bye. Take care.